Okay, welcome back, guys. This is phase 2 of the Calvin cycle, which is reduction. And in this phase, ATP and NADPH are used to convert the 3-PGA from carbon fixation into a 3-carbon sugar, which is called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, or G3P. And the reason why this phase is called reduction is because the NADPH donates its electrons to, or reduces, a 3-carbon intermediate to make G3P. Okay? And so, first, starting here. So first, each molecule of 3-PGA right here, you can see we have 6 molecules from the carbon fixation cycle, and each molecule here receives a phosphate group from ATP. So let's give it that. It receives a phosphate group from ATP, and then this turns it into a doubly phosphorylated molecule called, I don't know how to say this, actually. 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. And as a result of this reaction, it leaves behind ADP as a product. Okay? And then, let me erase this. Okay, and then each molecule of the of this receives 2 electrons from NADPH, so these 2 electrons, and it loses one of its phosphate groups, there, which turns it into a 3-carbon sugar called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, or G3P. So here he is, G3P. And then, as a result of this step, a phosphate ion and NADP plus are byproducts of this step. And then this happens like 6 more times. 5 more times, since we already did one. So 5 more times, and then eventually you'll have like all these byproducts times 6, and then this means that our final product of this, our final product of this is 6 molecules of G3P. So 6 of these. Okay, and then the one of these molecules of G3P will be used to create glucose. Okay, glucose. Here it is. So as you can see right here, one of them is one of them goes to make glucose, while the rest are recycled and used to make RUBP and to continue the cycle. And we'll learn more about that in phase 3.